The contact form is leveling up. Starting today, you can get all the info you need about a job right from the very beginning. Have you ever received a new work request only to then play phone tag with a customer trying to grab prerequisite information about the job? Well, no more. For standard plans and above, your customers and leads can now fill out all the preliminary information you need on their own using our new custom fields, so you have the scope of the request before the job is booked. If you have custom fields that belong to a specific service type, your contact form will show these fields to the customer when that service type is selected. Fields that are not assigned to a service type will also appear on the form. Your contact form always includes the fields you need and none of the distraction from fields you don't. Now, everyone working on that job will have instant access to all the information they need, all from just the contact form. Check out your forms and fields to customize your contact form today. That's service made simple.